Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import LUTs into CapCut PC. Make sure you've downloaded an LUT first. Go to adjustments and select LUT and select import. Mine is in downloads. Okay, well, it's here as well. So I'm just going to select the files. It's a cube file, and I'm just going to select open, and then it's going to import the materials into my CapCut PC app. Select your video that you want to color. I'll just use this one. Okay. So there's been a lag, so I'll just use this one, I guess. But you're going to just go to adjustments, and you're going to grab the LUT, and you're going to place it on top. It's not working right now because it's an error. You can just restart your app and basically just add in the LUT on top. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.